Hello everyone, Grayson Combs with the Ram Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker, and I'm excited to welcome you to 5777 Sutters Mill. We have a custom-built 3-bed, 3-bath ranch on a no-outlet street. This home has only had one owner and shows pride of ownership throughout. We have vaulted ceilings in the great room, perfect for entertainment. We have updates throughout and a beautiful finished lower level. Now that you've seen the inside of the house, check out this beautiful backyard. I'm on a 2-tiered covered deck offering tons of privacy, perfect for entertaining or a quiet night in. For any questions or to schedule a private showing, give us a call and visit us at theramrealestategroup.com.